We are all aware of what hackers do. They have a malicious intent to impede or stop your services or to steal or compromise data. They may want to damage your reputation. In essence, a hacker tries to harm your network or server or to negatively impact your business or reputation. What does a penetration tester do? He tries to follow the same techniques as a hacker in order to protect the organization's network, servers, and services.
And in either case, information gathering is the first step. So reconnaissance is the first step of hacking. It is the methodical process of collecting information about a target network and its environment. You can find various ways to intrude into the target organization's network system with the help of information gathered. Using reconnaissance, you will be able to draw up a blueprint of the security profile of the target organization. You don't have any one-size-fits-all steps to carry out methods or tools to obtain useful security profile information. Your goal during reconnaissance will be to learn what the operating system is and the version. What you know, or when you know this, you will also know the vulnerabilities with this operating system. You now know what you can use to exploit it. So when you know what services are running and what software packages are used, well, you can potentially learn about the known vulnerabilities.
So reconnaissance is a very important step in gathering information about the security profile of a network or system. The more methodical you are, the more accurate the security profile you create.
And when sensitive information about your environment is collected by someone outside it, you need to start worrying, right? This is a threat to your organization. When a hacker gains sensitive information about your environment, server, or software, you can anticipate there's going to be some trouble coming over the horizon, right? And sensitive information can be misused. It can cause you financial loss or loss of reputation, and it could negatively impact your business in every way.
Right. When the attacker knows the system and security vulnerabilities, he will not just let it go.
No.
He has some sort of intent behind his actions. He will try to exploit the vulnerabilities and get into your system or network. Your security has been breached, and the attacker could potentially escalate the privileges and try to cause more damage than what an ordinary user could do.
Sensitive information could potentially be stolen, used for malicious purposes. Now, often organizations tend not to be highly cautious about their data, even though information loss can be a great threat to any organization. Attackers can use this information to attack your network or system. The data can be sold or provided to your competition. And when the data you want to keep secret until you go to market in a few months gets out to your competition, they can plan to compete with you or plan things that could potentially impact you negatively.
So, an attacker may employ techniques such as social engineering and system and network scans to get the footprint of your system and network.